we're going to make the seasoning for our salmon. Just a quick olive oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay guys, 1 teaspoon. And we're going to use a little less than that of salt because it's going to be to taste. We're going to mix this up, okay? We don't want it to be too salty. Let's mix this up with our brush. We're making a nice little paste to go over our wonderful salmon, our fresh salmon. Okay guys, now we're going to take our nice mixture and we're going to press into our wonderful salmon, okay? Wonderful. Just press it in. You want to do this on both sides, guys. I'm going to turn it over. Okay guys, now we're going to take our wonderful salmon that we already seasoned with salt and pepper and garlic, and we're going to put it in our nice hot pan. Alright, let's put it in. Wow, look at that. That's what you want. Wonderful. Perfect. Alright, now we're going to let that cook. I wanted to try to squeeze another one in there. Let's go for it. Alright, we made it. Alright guys, as you can see, we're going to turn it over in a pan searing it, getting some nice color. And keep in mind, we're going to cook this, even if you cook it in the pan. Look at that, nice color. Let's just turn it over. Get the other side, both sides. Remember, we're going to finish fully cooking it in the pan with the sauce. So you can bring this, look at that nice color. That's beautiful. You can cook this all the way through or bring it very close, because we're going to finish it in the pan with the sauce. Remember, we got the tarragon sauce we're going to make. This is beautiful. Alright guys, as you can see, this is exactly what you want. It's just perfect. We got some nice color, and it's also just about fully cooked, okay? Wonderful. So now we're just going to take it and put it aside as we prepare our sauce. Let me just get this up nicely. Alright, put it aside. Alright, perfect. Using the same pan, we're going to saute our garlic and our tarragon. Release all those nice flavors. Let it release. Remember, you don't want to burn your garlic, so you just want it to release the flavors nicely. Okay? This is perfect. Oh, that smells great. That tarragon smells great. That's what you want. Alright. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Now we're going to add our heavy cream. Perfect. Get it all in there. Perfect. We're using, this is great. Okay, we're going to let this come to a boil. Alright, as you can see, it's coming to a nice boil. Let's add our fresh spinach, 1 packed bowl. Alright. Get it all in it. It'll cook down, don't worry. Don't worry, it'll cook down. Let that cook down nicely. We're going to hit it with some nice fresh tomatoes. Just throw that right all in there. Wow, look at this, guys. This is perfect. Blend this all in. See how the spinach is cooking in there nicely? Wonderful. This is what you want. Oh, wow. This is great. Okay, now that you see it's coming to a nice boil, let's add our parmesan cheese. Oh, wow. Just blend it in nicely. Just blend it in. Oh, it's going to bring the flavors together. Look at this sauce. It smells delicious with the tarragon. Oh, man. Okay. We're going to let this blend together nicely and thicken up. And let's add our fish back into it. Look at that. All right, let's add our salmon right back in there. Oh, wow. Perfect. Oh, get that in there. Here you go. Put that right in there. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, here you have it. It's all ready. Let's give it a nice taste. This is the best part. Look at this nice sauce. See how it coats your spoon? Give it a nice taste. Wow. I taste the tarragon. Delicious. This is it. Serve it up. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.